Waiting for your chicken, baby.
Yeah, my birds.
We're picking up the chicken, y'all.
They got quiet, didn't they?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You good to go?
Yep.
All right.
Thank you.
Meat, bird.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay, let's go.
We got the chicken. They're in the back chirping. Gotta put them in their brooder.
Bam.
Get ready to put them in their brooder, their homemade brooder. They just chirping. Chirp, chirp. Get our first box that we taking in. Duke on the prowl. Got the other 25. 25 and 25. Got the nifty 50 birds. Yam country. Duke on the prowl again.
Gone. Yeah, they know.
So the baby chicken are nestled into their new home for the time being. Some of them are gathering under the light because I guess they're cold. And the rest of them over there. You can tell they were hungry because they started eating as soon as they got out of the boxes. But those are 50 meat birds.